Welcome students in this session of Physics New Era channel. In this one we are going to know about the launching of satellite. But before knowing the launching of satellite, several factors we are going to observe. The several factor summary is as follows. Number one, we are going to take the critical velocity. Number two, we are going to know the escape velocity. And then we are going to know about what exactly is the satellite. And there are two types of satellite we are going to explain. One is the artificial satellite, second is a natural satellite. And then later on we are going to take how we are going to launch the satellite. What exactly is the procedures for that one? And then after launching of satellite, what are the possibilities so that they can revolve around the Earth in a different orbits that we are going to know. So the first definition that we are going to know is the critical velocity. Here it is the critical velocity before you. Critical velocity of satellite. It is a velocity given, or it is a horizontal velocity given to the satellite so that it will revolve around the Earth in a circular orbit. See, the word is very important. It is a horizontal velocity given to the satellite so that it can revolve around the Earth in a circular orbit. Circular orbit is known as critical velocity. See the diagram. In this diagram, clearly, satellite, it is revolving around the Earth. Actually, the horizontal velocity is given after reaching certain height, so that it will revolve around the Earth in a circular orbit. You will have to just remember the orbit is circular orbit during critical velocity. When the horizontal velocity is given to the satellite so that it can revolve around the Earth in a circular orbit is known as critical velocity. Now the second one is escape velocity. Name itself indicates escape. Escape velocity. This escape velocity, it is a velocity given to the satellite which is projected with that velocity so that it will make escape from the Earth's gravitational field. It is a minimum velocity given to the satellite so as to project from the Earth's surface so that it will make escape from Earth's gravitational field is known as escape velocity. So this is the escape velocity. This is the escape velocity concept. Now we are going to know the satellite. What exactly is the satellite? In this satellite, we say that any body which can revolve in a given orbit around the planet is known as a satellite. Is known as satellite. Here it is satellite. It is of two types. Here the two types are as follows. Here it is. One is artificial satellite. Artificial satellite. And other is a natural type of satellite. Natural satellite. In this artificial satellite, the best example is Aryabhatta. INSAT 1, INSAT. Total I am going to write in a capital. INSAT 1A. Number of names are there. Sputnik is there. Okay. These are the artificial satellite. But what exactly is this artificial satellite? A man-made object which is revolve around the heavenly bodies in a given orbit is known as artificial satellite, or man-made satellite is known as artificial satellite in short. Second one, the natural satellite. Moon is our natural satellite. Moon, natural satellite. So a heavenly body which is revolving around other heavenly body under the influence of gravitational field of that body is known as a natural satellite of that body. Just like Earth and Moon, these are heavenly bodies. and moon is under the influence of gravitational field of earth, which is revolving around the earth. Just like the diagram it is shown, the moon, it is continuously revolving around the earth. Okay, already we saw in case of critical velocity, see both the diagrams. In that one is the natural satellite, that is moon, which is revolving around the earth in a circular orbit, and artificial satellite which is moving just like this. See how different motions are there around the earth. Okay, now the next, how we are going to launch the satellite. For that one, we are going to know about the video that we are going to see. Here, launching of satellite is the heading. That is launching of satellite. Here it is. How to launch the satellite. There are certain procedures that we are going to follow. Number one, here, one by one procedure we are going to explain here, or directly we are going to see the video so that you can understand it clearly. Now we have the launching of satellite. How we are going to launch the satellite. There are different stages in that one. The first stage, I need to consider minimum 2-stage rocket. It is essential to launch any satellite in the space. How many? 2-stage rocket minimum. Maybe 3, maybe 4-stage rocket nowadays they are going to utilize, but minimum 2-stage rocket it is utilized. At the tip of the rocket, means at the upper part, just like if this is the rocket, at the tip of the rocket, here the satellite it is placed. Now see in the video how the rocket is get launched. See in this video, see when the rocket start ignited, during the ignition hot gases comes out from the lower side and rocket it is lifted in a space. See how it is going to be launched in the space. Slowly it moves in upward direction at a desired height. Initially it will get launched in the space with a desired velocity at a desired height. After reaching the desired height, the first stage rocket it is detached, and slowly that rocket is turned to the 90-degree with the help of second stage rocket, and the tip of the rocket it is open, and slowly satellite will comes out and it will goes at a particular orbit and it will set at that place. This is nothing but your launching of satellite. After getting all the information about that, now we will decide the path of that rocket depends upon the different horizontal velocity it is given to the second stage rocket or a satellite, because second stage rocket as well as the satellite has we say ignition rocket. So there are certain stages that we are going to know. The first stage, when horizontal velocity is equal to critical velocity. The first condition is there for the critical velocity. So that, see what happens. As the satellite it is launched, it will reaches at a particular height and turn to the 90-degree, or we say if the rocket is launched, it will go to the desired height, it will turn to the 90-degree and start rotating just like this. And see what happens. This is the horizontal velocity. When it is equal to critical velocity, it follows which path? It follows circular path. It follows circular path. Okay. Second, if the horizontal velocity is less than the critical velocity, that time, see what happens. As the satellite launch, horizontal velocity is given, it will follow the parabolic path and it will fall on the surface of Earth. It will fall on the surface of Earth, following which path? Parabolic path. parabolic path or elliptical orbit. But it will fall on the surface. It will fall on surface of Earth. Surface of Earth. Now the third condition that we are going to observe. See, this condition, it is over. This condition is also over. Now we are going to know if horizontal velocity is less than escape velocity and greater than critical velocity. That means it is in between escape velocity and critical velocity. That time it continuously follow, after launching it continuously follow elliptical path. It follows elliptical path, which is shown just like this. Continuously it is moving elliptical path. Means it follows elliptical orbit. Elliptical orbit. Now the next and the last one. As we know that if the escape velocity or horizontal velocity and escape velocity, if we compare, the horizontal velocity is greater than, it is reversed now. Horizontal velocity is greater than the escape velocity. Here it is also. Horizontal velocity is greater than escape velocity. Horizontal velocity is greater than escape velocity. That time what happens? It will follow tangential path and it will make escape from Earth's gravitational field. Means, see, as soon as the horizontal velocity is given to the rocket, if it is greater than the escape velocity, it will never revolve around the Earth. It will go tangential. It will follow the tangential path and it will disappear in the space. Hence, this is your launching of satellite, and these are the possibilities. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have the revision. In this revision, initially we are going to know about the critical velocity. One by one. Once again, we are going to revise that. Critical velocity. It is a horizontal velocity given to the satellite so that it will revolve around the Earth in a circular orbit, is known as a critical velocity. Escape velocity. Minimum velocity with which a rocket or any satellite or any rocket which is projected from the surface of the Earth so that it will make escape from the Earth's gravitational field is known as escape velocity. Then we have the satellite. Any body which is revolving around the Earth under the influence of gravitational field is known as a satellite. But there are two types of satellites. One is a artificial satellite. We say artificial means a man-made satellite. A satellite which is made by the man or man-made satellite which is revolving around the body under the influence of gravitational field is known as artificial satellite. Examples are Aryabhat, INSAT 1A, 2B. Okay, number of. Then we have the natural satellite. Best example for that one is the moon. Okay, here it is, the moon is the best example for that one. Then we saw how the satellite it is launched using the video. And then later on, there are certain possibilities when the horizontal velocity is equal to critical velocity. That time it follows which path? Satellite will follow the circular path. Satellite will follow the circular path. If horizontal velocity less than the critical velocity, it will follow the parabolic path and it will fall on the surface of the Earth. See, it will fall, but following which path? Parabolic path or elliptical orbit, and it will fall on the surface of Earth. If horizontal velocity is in between, or it is less than the escape velocity and greater than the critical velocity, that time continuously it follows elliptical orbit. When horizontal velocity is greater than the escape velocity, then After reaching the desired height and when the horizontal velocity is greater than escape velocity, it follows the tangential path and it will disappear in the space. Okay, this is the revision regarding the launching of satellite. Thank you.